Namaste everyone. The question is, a bucket has 10 liter water at 15 degrees Celsius. How much water at 50 degrees Celsius should be added to get a mixture of temperature 40 degrees Celsius? Assume no heat loss in mixing. Okay, so volume of water is 10 liter, means density 1 gram per liter. So we can say this is density. So from here we can calculate mass is equal to 10 gram, right? Then two temperature are given. Let's suppose T1 is 15 degrees Celsius for like we can say condition 1, and for condition 2 T1 is given 50 degrees Celsius. Now we need to mix both water to get a final temperature, that is T2 40 degrees Celsius, right? So let's see. So the formula of heat loss or heat gain will be Q is equal to mass into specific heat capacity, sometime represented by S or sometime represented by Cs as well. So we can use simple term like S, and temperature difference is the difference between two temperature, final minus initial. So as already given in the question, we need to assume no heat loss in mixing. So we can say according to law of calorimetry, heat lost is equal to heat gain. So for both condition we will apply this formula. So here let's suppose for first condition mass will be m1 into specific heat capacity into temperature difference. So it will be 40 minus 15, 40 minus 15, right? For second condition mass will be m2 into specific heat capacity of water will be same, because in both condition we have water, into temperature difference will be 40 minus 50, correct? So from here what we will get? We will get m1 s to s will cancel out, multiplied by 14 minus 15 means 25 is equal to m2 into minus 10, right? It will be minus 10, but here I forget to add a negative sign because we are talking about heat gain, so it will be a negative process. So here is negative here, so negative and negative will become positive. So we will get a simplified formula, m1 into 25 is equal to m2 into 10. Okay, now let's see what we need to calculate. We need to calculate how much water, okay, amount of water. So m1 is already there, we need to calculate m2, right? So m2 is equal to m1 into 25 by 10. m1 is 10 gram into 25 by 10. Unit for these will be degree Celsius. Okay, so unit will cancel out and 10 to 10 cancel out. We will get 25 gram will be the amount of water we need to add. Okay, but here values are provided in liter, so again we can convert it into liter by using density, right? So it will be 1 gram per liter. So from here we'll get 25 liter. Okay, so let's see the options. Option 3 will be the correct option. I hope you understood it. If you like the video, please hit a thumbs up, press the bell icon and subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thank you.